Today, I'm going to show you two platforms that will assist us in making money. They will assist us in a mutually beneficial manner. If you're wondering what interdependent means, it's when two entities or platforms rely on one another to function and create outcomes. Well, that's the essence of it. But my point is that today, I'm going to show you two platforms that will work together to create money for us. It's a three-part process, and the first stage, I swear, is when you download an image from this site. Step 2 is to upload the set image to this site. And step 3 is to get money from it. Imagine generating money just by uploading selected pictures to this platform. Not to mention that this platform is free to use and available globally. This approach may be used by anybody from anywhere in the globe, regardless of whether they have a smartphone or a personal computer. If done correctly, this strategy will improve your life. This has the ability to decrease the financial stress you are currently experiencing. Because you won't be working 24 hours a day, you'll be able to pay your payments on schedule and spend more time with your family. You won't need any special abilities for this, nor will you require a large social media following or interaction, nor will you also be selling anything. All you have to do now is follow these procedures given in this video. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel.
Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
To start off, let's just go to Uploadio. This is a platform that will pay you by sharing your files on their website, and once a client downloads the uploaded file, you will get paid. Not just once, but until the end of time, literally. How? Because once you upload a file on this platform, your file will be there forever, and you will make money every time it is downloaded forever. You want proof that this method is legit? Let's go here to payment proofs to see all the happy users who are able to benefit from this platform. As you can see here, these are the payment proofs of this platform. Not yet convinced? Well, it's going to convince you once you will be the one who will make the money using this method. By the way, this is still the first platform that I'm showing you. I will be providing you another platform where you will download all the needed files to upload on this website and make money off of it. I also forgot to mention that this method is available in all types of devices on your mobile phone or smartphones. You can download this application for free. So the more reasons to try out, this is really an easy method. To proceed, we are now going to sign up to this platform and I will show you how. To do that, let's just click on this here. Sign up. After clicking, you will be redirected to their user registration form where you will provide them with the needed information for the successful registration. Like your username, email, password, and payment information. Now, this platform can pay you in many different methods. So here, you just need to choose your preferred method of payment. After that, tick on this box right here to declare that you are not a robot trying to subscribe to their platform, but an actual human being just trying to make money. With all of that done, just click on this button to finalize your registration. Now, assuming that you have your own account, you will have your very own dashboard. On your dashboard, you will click this button in order to select and start uploading your files. The files which you think can make you money in the long run. I mean, you will absolutely get to upload an unlimited number of files for people to download and for more chances of earning, right? In line with the files to upload, I'll be introducing to you a platform that will give us free files to upload here on the first platform. You may have heard about this platform or in some of my previous videos because, as you all know, this platform has been reliable ever since I can remember, and that platform is actually Pixabay.com. Before we proceed to explain what this platform does, let me remind you that this method can only be done by a mobile device or smartphone also. With that, just make sure to download the correct app so that you'll be able to start making money online immediately. Now, Pixabay is a platform that gives out free quality files. They have over 1 million royalty-free photos, illustrations, and vector graphics, and thousands of free video clips. All images and footage on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, meaning this can be accessed by anyone and it is free for all, so that this is the concept of this method. We will download the files from Pixabay and upload them on Uploadio that is going to make us a lot of money for a long time. But in order for us to truly make money, I'm going to show you the basic steps on how you can upload in order to earn money. Now, I am on Pixabay, and let's search for this keyword or any keyword in line with your preference. Then, when we find the image that we want to share and upload to the first platform, we will just download it by clicking on this button. But to make sure that people will buy your files, you must select or choose high-quality photos to spark the interest of your target market. After you download your chosen image or images, you can now go back to the first platform and upload them here. Here's how you just click this button and then select the downloaded photos. It's as easy as that, and this is absolutely as simple as it gets you. Just select photos that you think people will download, upload it on Uploadio, and then make money online. Amazing! Overall, this is a really great method to be utilized by anyone. As you can see, if it's totally easy, and anyone can actually do it, just make sure to follow the steps that I've been highlighting all throughout the video. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.